Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create killer unique selling propositions, USPs. Basically, I'm going to talk to you about avoiding the danger of writing bold USPs. You must clearly tell your visitors what your unique selling points or USPs are, and above all, why they should buy from your site. If you strategically present your USPs on your site, can help overcome some mental barriers in the visitor's mind that might be stopping them to make the purchase on your site. Now, at first glance, if I gave you the USP easy returns, for example, okay, you can see here, you might be thinking that's a pretty decent USP, but in reality, it's not a very clear USP. What easy returns even means? Is it easy for you? Easy for me? Like, how does it work? Like, is returning stuff normally difficult? Instead, go for 365-day return. We even pay up to $5 return shipping, okay? This makes your customer believe that you have great faith in your product and have a great ability to satisfy consumers. How about this example instead? Free shipping or fast shipping? Again, at first glance, it sounds good, right? How about this one instead? Order before 2 p.m. and get guaranteed next day shipping for free. This, of course, is even stronger if you have one of those little countdown timers on your site showing how many hours and minutes they have before the next day. Now, these are great deals that will encourage a lot of people to try. If your offer isn't quite good, you still need to be specific. Instead of free shipping, make it like all orders over $50 qualify for free next day delivery. So things like best deals or satisfaction guarantee are all lazy, kind of, poor example of USPs. Instead, go for if your product can be found cheaper on any of these websites, we will not only match the price, but double the difference back to you. Can you notice the difference? So basically, how do you pick a USP? Well, you must first identify which ones of the following needs or any other you can think of are going to fulfill with a new industry. It could be a range of things. It could be broader selection, it could be bigger discounts, highest level of advice and assistance, convenience, like easiest way to buy, fastest delivery, top of the line luxury that no one else has, value add-ons, additional services, comprehensive warranties. So anything that is relevant and missing in your industry. You have to focus on that. You got to think and concentrate about that. The point is to focus on the one niche, need or gap that is most lacking, provided, of course, you can keep that big promise. You can even create hybrid USPs, which are combinations that integrate with a customer need with another one. And of course, before you decide on a USP, be sure you can always deliver that USP through your entire organization, okay? You and your staff have to maintain consistently high level of quality and service. For example, if you decide on this USP that your company offers a broader selection of products that are always in stock, but you only stock 15 items and have a few of each then you are kind of breaking your USP promise, and of course your reputation and online reviews will soon suffer. It's critical to fulfill the promise of your USP. If you honestly believe you can deliver on your USP, pick another one to build your business on. Just be sure it's unique and you can fulfill it. Just keep the promise. Before you can communicate your chosen USP through varied marketing venues, you first need to focus on articulating clearly with impact. Okay? Just think it through so you can instantly articulate in one crystal clear, compelling sentence or short paragraph. The USP will help you build your success. Three things actually: success, reputation, and continued orders. Okay, repeat customers. So you have to be able to state it clearly. If you can't state it, your prospects and visitors won't even see it. Whenever a customer needs the type of product you sell, your USP should bring your company immediately the message. Clearly convey the USP through both your online and offline marketing and your business. Your performance will improve consequently, and make your business great. But your USP needs to be powerful and get the message across online quickly and with impact.